Okay, Courtney, let me see if I can help you out a little bit. To do that and do it in an SVG layer or layers in Design Space, all you need to do is pick your font. Select your font and then set it up just like this. Here I'm using Babette and Kate's ABCs. I used the shadow layer on that so it would be a little fatter. Pick any font you want. You can upload your font. You can use any font. If you're doing this out of vinyl and you have leopard print vinyl, this is all you need. If you're doing it out of iron-on and you have leopard print iron-on, this is all you need. If you're doing a print then cut, you have to change this or it's just going to print brown. And you're just going to come up here and say this is a no fill, where it says no fill, and change that to print. Now it's still going to print brown unless we change that. So if you click on here and go to color and change that to pattern, it will open up patterns. Now if you don't have the pattern in there that you want, you can upload it simply by going to upload. Let me go back. And then on the right here, upload pattern. And then I'm going to browse. Now I have one that I got from Creative Fabrica. I will leave a link down below in case that's what you need to do. Because you can do printable iron-on, you can do printable vinyl if you have a particular thing that you want to see. So I'm just going to hit browse, and I know that I got that, and it's right here. Let's just go to leopard, and I am going to get that JPEG, and I'm going to open it. And you're going to see it here. You're going to name it, tag it, pick a color, whatever it is that you want to do. This is the only opportunity that you have to do this, so I suggest that you do it now when you name and you tag, so that you have everything that you need. Okay, and then hit save. And then it's just going to vanish, okay? And it could take it just a minute because PNGs are large, JPEGs are large, and sometimes it takes them a while to vanish. I know this is not the color of the one that you wanted, but you can find one. And you can see it says pattern successfully uploaded. So I'm just going to hit cancel. And now I'm going to come back to my LA, and I'm going to go into my patterns. And it should be there. I may have to refresh. Let's change that to print. Let's change that to pattern. And there is my pattern right there. So I'm going to select it. And it's going to fill my lettering in with that. Now I can go up here to edit pattern and I can take a look at that and I can make it larger, smaller. I can scale it, I can rotate it, I can flip it until I get the look that I want. Once I have that, that part is done and it's set over here as a print and cut. It's going to print and cut those letters on paper, on your printable vinyl, on your printable iron-on, whatever you choose. Now again, if you have the patterned vinyl or iron-on, all you have to do is leave it without any pattern in it and cut it. You don't have to do anything further from that. The Louisiana, I selected the Babette font, I got text, I typed in my text, and I selected my font up here. We're going to play with it a little bit. We're going to go in and letter space it, and I am going to decrease that letter spacing so that those letters touch and they look like I want them to look. Then I am going to weld it. If they touch, you need to weld. Weld is not undoable. I can see that I didn't, when I make it larger, didn't get it quite like I want it. So I'm just going to hit undo. Until I've saved and exited the project, I can undo my weld just by going back in the steps. So I'm just going to stretch that bigger so I can see it, and I'm going to do some more letter spacing. I'm going to decrease. Now that looks a little bit better to me. I'm going to weld that. Happy with it. Now I'm just going to size it up right there to how I want it to go over those letters. So super simple, super easy to do. If you're going to be layering this, you can go a step further and you can slice it out, but you would need to slice it before your pattern is on there. Nope, you can still do it. I thought they took that out. So you can duplicate it just so you have a copy in case you mess up. You're going to align everything, say center, and get it like you want it. That looks pretty good. And then I'm going to slice. And now I'm just going to drag this out I can delete this. I can bring that Louisiana in. So now I can cut that out of 2 different vinyls. I can make that any color that I want it and bring that in, and then you can see everything there. Super simple, super easy. If you need more help, please just let me know. Happy to help you out. Have a great day. Happy holidays, everyone.